News that we're tracking as far as a major accident that's reported on Agra Lucknow E-way. In fact, the Bihar-Delhi bound bus meets a fatal end. 18 have been killed in the bus milk tanker collision. You're looking at the horrific visuals of the same on your screens right now. Let's tell you, at least 30 have been injured in the accident. The injured have been hospitalized for critical assistance. Let's also tell you that UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath takes cognizance of the incident. Senior officials have been rushed to aid in rescue operations. But that's the big development that we're picking up at the moment as far as this horrific accident that is coming to light. We're showing you visuals of the same. Listen into the reaction first.
इसमें अब तक 18 लोगों के मरने मृत्यु की पुष्टि हुई है और लगभग 19 का इलाज जिस समय हम लोग CHC से प्राथमिक कराकर उसको जिला अस्पताल में रेफर किया है। प्रथम दृष्टया जो हमारे पास सूचना आई है उसमें यही लग रहा है कि बस तेज रफ्तार में थी और पीछे से आकर उसने जो टैंकर है उसको टक्कर मारी है। बाकी इलाज के लिए हमारी तैयारी है। हम लोगों ने करीब 6 नंबर जो कंट्रोल रूम के हैं वो जारी भी कर दिए कि जो अलग अलग जनपदों के इसमें निवासी थे बस में, कुछ उत्तर प्रदेश के भी थे, कुछ बिहार के थे, वो उस नंबर पर फ़ोन करके सारी जानकारी ले सकते हैं अपने परिवारजनों के।
Adib, my colleague, joins me for more. Adib, this is absolutely horrifying. We're also looking at the visuals of the same on our screens. What are we given to understand for the reason that this accident took place?
Well, see, Nivenda, this bus, double-decker bus, was coming from Bihar and was heading towards Delhi. And what we are being told as of now is that the bus was a speeding bus and it rammed in the rear side of a milk container, and in which around 18 people have been killed so far, and around 19 are injured. Those injured have been rushed to the nearby hospitals. DM, District Magistrate of Unnao, Gaurang Rathi, confirmed that around 18 people have lost their life in this tragic incident. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has also taken the cognizance of the incident and has asked officials to rush to the spot for the rescue and relief operation in this tragedy that has taken place. The police has also closed part of the Agra-Lucknow Expressway to clear the bus and milk container that have been totally damaged in this tragic incident.
Right, Adib. In fact, as you pointed out, we're given to understand many of them have also been injured. But what steps have been taken from the administration's end?
Well, so far, Nivenda, 19 people have been severely injured and they have been rushed to the local hospitals in Unnao district itself. The best treatment for them is being given. Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath has asked senior officials to rope in for rescue and relief operation. Those 19 people are being given best treatment in the district hospital of Unnao as of now.
Right, Adib. Thank you very much for getting us more as far as this major accident, horrific incident, in fact, coming to light that is, let's tell you, like how my colleague Adib was pointing out, that UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath, of course, has taken cognizance of mishap and senior officials have been rushed to aid in rescue ops. But like we are picking up, injured have been hospitalized for critical assistance. That is, my colleague Gaurav reports from that particular hospital. Let's listen in.
उन्नाव के लखनऊ आगरा एक्सप्रेसवे पर एक बड़ा हादसा सामने आया है जिसमें एक डबल डेकर बस दूध के कंटेनर से टकरा गई है जिसमें 18 लोगों की मौत और 19 लोग गंभीर रूप से घायल हैं। जो डेड बॉडीज है वो बांगरमऊ के CHC हॉस्पिटल पहुंच चुकी हैं और जो लोग घायल हैं उनको उन्नाव के जिला अस्पताल में लाया गया है। उनका इलाज चल रहा है। ये इमरजेंसी वार्ड है उन्नाव जिला अस्पताल का, जहां पर जो डॉक्टर्स हैं वो लगातार इलाज कर रहे हैं। यहाँ ये इंजर्ड लोग यहाँ पे लाए जा रहे हैं और इंजर्ड लोगों को यहाँ से उनको वार्ड में लाया जा रहा है और जितने भी इंजर्ड हैं उनको सबको जिला अस्पताल भेजा जा रहा है। जो जिला प्रशासन है वो पूरी कवायद में लगा हुआ है। सभी के उपचार और इलाज के लिए जिला प्रशासन पूरी तरीके से तैयार है और अभी जो इलाज है वो चल रहा है और लोगों की जो इंजर्ड लोग हैं वो अभी उन्नाव पहुंच रहे हैं।